Hello and welcome to day 5. Didn't realize how much it's starting to look like fall behind me with that tree. Pretty. Um, so I'm hoping to finish section 2 of the trench today. And I got an announcement. Hold on a second. So my world famous rock tripod has been replaced. Sorry, buddy. You've done pretty good, but found something that'll probably make this look better. Here we go. Got a phone adapter for my tripod. Should make the time lapses and whatever else look more, be more flexible and look better. So let's see how it goes. All right, time to start digging. Uh, Time lapse. All right, so running into some fun here. So this here is a giant root again. This here is the bottom of this conduit, which doesn't go to the house, it goes back. Um, so like I said, it used to be on this tree. I moved it to here because it was getting eaten by the tree. So I guess it goes back and around. So I gotta dig out all this area, try to find the wire, and go under that root and get over to this pipe, to the pipes. There's also another root right next to the pipes there. Pipe, root, root, root. So lots of fun side projects or detours, as I like to call them. All right, so more digging. All right, we run out of light. Can't find the stupid wire. So to be continued when there's daylight again. Toodles for now.